In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize the power of ClickUp for your project management needs. Whether you're just getting started with ClickUp or looking for some tips to improve your workflow, this guide will be perfect for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, you want to head over to ClickUp. This is your central hub for managing tasks, collaborating with your team, and ensuring everything is on track with your projects. If you're unfamiliar, ClickUp is an incredibly versatile tool designed to cater to both personal to-do lists and complex project management for teams of any size. Once you're on ClickUp's interface, the next step is to visit Spaces. Think of Spaces as separate areas dedicated to housing your specific projects. They help keep things organized and ensure that all your tasks related to a particular project are located in one convenient place. So go to Spaces and navigate to the project you want to work on. It's like moving from room to room in a virtual office, where each room is dedicated to a specific project. Now that you're inside your chosen space, it's time to make the workflow visual and manageable. Click on the plus view button. This is where you can adopt different views based on how you prefer to track your progress. For today's walkthrough, we're focusing on the board Kanban view. This is an extremely effective way to visually manage tasks. A Kanban board helps you to keep track of your tasks as they move through different stages, such as to do, in progress, and done. Picture it like this. Each column on your Kanban board represents a stage in your project workflow. The tasks, which are represented as cards, move from left to right as they progress through these stages. This method allows you to easily see what needs attention, what's in progress, and what has been completed. Once you've applied the Kanban view, you're all set up to start managing your tasks in a streamlined and effective manner. You'll find that this visual approach not only improves your personal productivity, but also enhances team collaboration. It ensures everyone is on the same page, and it's simple to spot any potential bottlenecks in your workflow. So there you have it. You've successfully set up a Kanban board within ClickUp, and you're ready to efficiently manage your projects. Thanks for joining today's guide. I hope you found it helpful and that it empowers you to take full control of your project management process. Don't forget to subscribe for more how-tos and tips to improve your workflow.